Hi guys. Today I am going to unboxing Dell Latitude 3440 notebook PC. Remove the sticker seal. Here the user manual. .45 West Dell power adapter. Adapter cable. This laptop color is soft charcoal. Notebook body weight is 1.54 kilograms. 30% recycled plastics. Bottom door, battery housing and AC adapter exterior upsell only. Latitude 3440 50% recycled plastics in bezel. Ports. 1 USB 3.2 Gen to Type-C. Port with DisplayPort Alt mode, power delivery. 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port with power share. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. 1 power adapter port. 1 HDMI 1.4 port. 1 RJ45 Ethernet port. 1 universal audio port. Display. 14-inch. Anti-glare. Non-touch. FHD 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz. Wide viewing angle, in-plane switching IPS. Backlit keyboard with non-fingerprint. Keyboard. 45% NTSC, 250 nits. Thanks for the watching.